Hi, my name is Sarah Snodgrass. I'm doing the lesson reflection assignment topic 8, I believe, for SPD 470. And today we wanted to discuss on throughout this course, we have written lesson plans and observed lesson plans, and now it is important to reflect on, have we succeeded enough? Is there something that we can do better? So I'm going to go over a previous lesson plan that I've completed. I'm doing the topic 2 lesson plan. It's going to be second grade, and it's going to be the greater than, less than, and equal to lesson plan that I've created today. So it says that what is important, that the instructional strategies are developmentally appropriate and standards based. I completely believe that it has to be a clear outline of the standard for you to base off what you should go off of. That being said, it can also be just kind of like a base of something that you need to stick to, but does not have to be completely for the standard. So for me, on that lesson plan, what I did was the central focus is for the lesson plan is to gain the understanding of comparing two, 3-digit numbers using the symbols less than, equal, or greater than. And for the standard, we were instructed to use the classroom profile and pick a few students, and some of those students were below, above, or average. So when I did that, I wanted to base the lesson plan as if it was in RTI tier 2 and 3, just in case. That way I have an understanding when I am actually a professor, that I know what I could do, and I have an idea of what is important to do, and that may not necessarily be sticking to the standard. You want to be able to have a differentiation strategy to be able to instruct students in a way that they may understand. And that's what's really important to me, I think, is ensuring that every student understands and is at the strategy level that they are developmentally appropriate for. Now, when reflecting on these elements in my lesson plan, I think the things that I would keep the same is most of the lesson plan. However, I think it would be a few things is to have go more into detail on the ELL or the special ed students or like the early finishers, just to have a little bit more thorough idea of what I want to do when they are struggling with this, when they're done with the assignment, or when they are needing that extra one-on-one support. I want to be able to be hands-on and ready and not, needing to ask questions because I'm going to be a teacher. I'm not going to be able to have that option as I am now, is to be able to ask for help. But the differentiation strategies that definitely could be beneficial when developing critical thinking and problem solving skills is understanding what tier that they are, what school level that they benefit best from, the academic language that they are aware of, and really understanding how they learn best. There's different, strategies that help them learn best. Maybe they're more of a visual learner or more of an auditory learner. Having a backup in the lesson plan so that way every student is able to comprehend is really important. And as a teacher, I am going to be responsible for analyzing and reflecting on my planning and practice, and with the goals of improving students' outcomes. A way that I would love to model for my students to analyze and reflect upon their work is simply just checking their work. And that would be plugging in the numbers that you did not know for the problem to be able to solve the equation, going backwards on the step process. Usually with math, you have a few steps that you would keep doing every single time. For example, the FOIL method. You want to keep doing that steps throughout the whole entire equation to get the right answer, and you would do that for every problem. And if you keep doing that, you are bound to be able to find the correct answer over time. And showing your work, asking for help, and ensuring that you are understanding the knowledge that is learned. I think those things are the best way to really help and to communicate with the teacher and students, so that way no one is left in the dust. And I think that really sums up this video that I wanted to make. Again, I learned a lot in this course. This really helped benefit on me becoming a teacher one day, on how to incorporate the differentiation strategies and instruction strategies for students that do have disabilities. And it will help me be able to understand and to acknowledge, as well as being able to identify those disabilities that they may not be aware or comfortable with talking about, to be able to help them in a way that they don't feel singled out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.